What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to roast the best, tastiest, yummiest roast chicken. Guys, if you have this, if you give anyone this, whoa, it's gonna be the spiciest, roastiest, yummiest chicken you will ever taste. So let's jump right ahead. You need, of course, your chicken. You need the potatoes. You need about 4 carrots, 4 big ones, 2 bulb onions, vegetable oil, and I have here for spices paprika, ginger, dried garlic, curry, thyme, parsley, basil, salt, and this is gonna be so yummy. This is gonna be absolutely yummy. So go ahead, wash up your carrots, peel the back and chop it up in large chunks. We are going to be marinating these vegetables. All the spices I showed you, we're going to use them both for the vegetables and then some for the chicken. And for this recipe, I'll be marinating this for 2 days. Yes, I said 2 days. I want it to be so juicy. I want all the spices and the juiciness to be infused into my chicken and my vegetables. Go ahead. You can do it for 2 days. You can do it for 24 hours. You can do it for 3 hours. Go ahead, chop up your potatoes and then sprinkle it with your spices of your choice. For me, I love the paprika, the curry, the thyme, the ginger, garlic, parsley, basil, and then pour some oil on it. Then just marinate it this way, like so. And then when we are done marinating it, we are going to cover it with the saran wrap and then put it in the fridge. Like I said, it depends on you. I'm doing mine for 2 days. I've got the time. I'm going to wait. Look at that. Look at how it looks. It smells good already. It, it smells good already, guys. It really smells good. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, watch it with your friends and family, and let me know how it went. If you have tried this recipe out, just put it down in the comment section. Let me know how it went. How did you like it? Do you want more recipes? I will be happy to do so. I'll be happy to make them for you. And the same thing, go ahead, marinate your chicken and cover it with some saran wrap and throw it in the fridge. And then we're going to be roasting this. By the way, I roasted mine. I'll be roasting mine for about an hour at 300 degrees Celsius. Evenly space out your vegetables. Layer them down beneath your pan. Just space them out, evenly. Your carrots, then your potatoes, and then another carrot, so that the juiciness from the chicken would, drop down, spill through the vegetables and make it so juicy and yummy. And then when we are done spacing it out, we're going to evenly, place our chicken on top of our vegetables. Wow, look at this chicken. So massive. This is gonna be so good. This is gonna be so good. That's how it's supposed to be. You can cover it with a foil, but for me, I'm not going to cover it. I want it to be brown and toasty, roasty. There you go, guys. Thank